வீட்ல கஷ்டம். I'm not financially well with my family, so I can't pursue my passion. So when it comes to profession, he said like I studied in I didn't study in English medium school, so it was not I'm not good in English, I'm not good in programming. I came from biology background, so I don't know programming. So he blamed his family, he blamed his education. He regretted his steps, like he regret then engineering was done, and then he regretted for his steps. He didn't take any measures for his passion nor profession. So there he stands with a question mark in his hand about his future. So that is engineer one, and we have engineer two. So the same way, this guy had a passion, a profession. He was totally into his passion. He took some necessary steps. He strived hard. He worked really hard. He put in a lot of effort. He put in, you can say, like he was a dedicated, a determined guy. So he puts in a lot of effort. He proved to an extent. He did some levels in his passion. He did a lot. But when it comes to profession, he was the same guy. He did not take steps. He said, I'm from Tamil medium. எனக்கு மச்சான் எனக்கு தமிழ் தெரியாது, என் தமிழ் தான் தெரியும், எனக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் நல்லா தெரியாது, ப்ரோக்ராம் எனக்கு அவ்வளோ ஒன்றும் தெரியாது. ஸோ தட் வாஸ் திஸ் டாபிக். So then later he regretted, but once engineering was done and he was regretting his life, he went back to like, okay, I realized my mistake. I realized that I haven't taken steps. So then he started learning. So there he is focusing on balancing both, balancing his passion and profession. So his future is on track, we can call it. So we have a third guy. So this guy had a passion and profession as well. He took steps in both. In passion wise, he made initiatives. He talked with he talked with the best in the profession in the passion field. So he got some contacts, links. So he was in touch with some people, and then in profession, he took steps. He learned a lot. You can't say a lot, but he learned. He tried to prepare. So he strived hard there. Then he formed a base. He formed a base in his passion. He formed a base in his profession. So then, what initially once he laid a leg on his profession, that profession helped him with his passion. So like the profession started to balance his passion. He moved forward with the support of the base that he formed with his profession. So that's work-life balance. So that was his future. So we saw engineer one, engineer two, and engineer three. So work-life balance. So that was his. And can I have some answers? Like who do you want to be among the three? Do you want to be the engineer one, two, or three? Some quick answers in the chat, please. 1, 2, 3 will work. Just random 1, 2, 3. Anything? Yeah. Engineer 3. Okay. Engineer 2. Okay. Boys, I thought like boys in this class have a lot of passion, but I don't get any response from them. Boys, show some power, da. Hey, இப்பயும் கேர்ள்ஸ் தான்டா ஃபுல்லா ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்றாங்க, பசங்க யாருமே இல்லையா? So yeah, so I'm one of those three engineers, third engineer, work-life balanced. So you can ask me, how did you balance your passion and profession? So here we have the question for it. Are you balancing your study life? I hope you all know study life balance. Okay, study life balance is simple. It is not like you have to study 24/7. It's not like you can enjoy 24/7. It is the measuring line. Study life balance is the measuring line that tells like படிக்க வேண்டிய நேரத்தில் படிக்கணும், என்ஜாய் பண்ண நேரத்தில் செம்மையாக என்ஜாய் பண்ணணும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் த mantra of this. So initially 3, then get along completely with passion. Okay, Vaishnavi has a different answer here. Okay, Vaishnavi, like I agree with you because that is my plan, because but not now, in the future. So that is a nice answer, Vaishnavi. So do work on study life balance. I'm not asking you to study all the time. Now regarding engineering, I heard that your syllabus have changed and you people are learning way too much. To be honest, we all are scared. 2019-20 pass outs, 2019 and 18 pass outs are very much scared about you guys. when you enter the professional IT field, when you enter into an IT sector, you guys will eat us up. You'll just we'll have to run faster to join you, because I hear that from first year itself, you people are learning Python. So even the syllabus is upgraded, and you people are very well upgraded. And to be honest, my like not mine, all the MNCs and the top companies are eagerly waiting for you guys. Like they just want you to hit the market at the earliest. Once you hit the market, they are ready to take you in and throw us out. So that will be a race again. That is how we have. Like you have a plus point in that. So please work on your study life balance. So okay, to my point, what did I do to get there? What did I do to balance my work life balance? So the first thing I did was grab the opportunity. Give me any opportunity, I'll grab it. So I guess you have heard about this incident. It was regarding Bill Gates. Once Bill Gates, what he did, he was in a press meet, and a reporter asked him, "How did you become such a billionaire? How did you become the richest man in the world? How did you earn this much?" So that was his question, the reporter. அப்போ வந்து Bill Gates responded him. He didn't talk to him. He took his checkbook. He made a sign. He crossed the check and he gave it to the reporter. And he said, "உனக்கு எவ்வளவு வேணுமோ fill பண்ணிக்கோ. You can fill in any amount you want. You can fill in the amount. You can fill in the name, and you can do anything." I guess you would have already heard this. So the reporter was like, "So, sir, sorry, I didn't mean that way." So the reporter changed his question and he said, like, "What did you do in life to achieve this much?" So Bill Gates again responded, "நீங்க கேட்ட கேள்வி தான் மறுபடியும் கேட்கிற, மாத்தி கேட்டாலும் எனக்கு புரியும் அதே கேள்வி. So I'm giving you again an opportunity. Take this check and fill in your amount." So that reporter, he got scared and he was like, "No, sir, thank you." He was about to talk something else, the reporter, but Bill Gates just cut him off and he said he teared off the check. He just tear off the check entirely into pieces and he threw it in the bin. And all were astonished and they didn't know what was happening. Then Bill Gates talked. "I didn't do the mistake that you did. I grabbed any opportunity that I get. If you had grabbed this opportunity, got the check and filled in the highest amount, like if you had filled in my value, you would have been the richest reporter in the world. You missed your opportunity, but I didn't miss my opportunity. So I grabbed each and every opportunity." So that was similar to what I did. I grabbed every opportunity, be it in organizing an event, be it in getting an order for my photography base. So whatever it is, I grabbed any opportunity that I have. So that is one thing you all have to do: grab opportunities. So you all might get, okay, now we are in third year. Where do I grab my opportunity to get into a company, get into an MNC, get an IT field? So I'm talking about profession here. So how do I grab my opportunity for profession? Our college gives the first support. So our college, they give us a lot of support in this. So the first and best support we get from our college is AMCAT, CoCubes. Have you guys attended CoCubes already? CoCubes AMCAT exam? Yes, no? Any response? No. Okay. Have you had CoCubes or AMCAT mock test and all training? Nothing you had ever? Okay. I guess I remember we had it since third year. So soon you will be starting with those guys, or you can even enroll yourself in this. But check with your faculty. Okay, ma'am. Okay, I got it. Just now, okay. Since you have just now entered into third year, so that is the reason. So check with the faculties. Like there, you will soon be attending CoCubes, AMCAT, and Naukri. You won't be attending CoCubes and AMCAT. So what is CoCubes and AMCAT is like? They are just like hiring companies. They have a platform for different fields of engineering jobs, anything you any kind of job you want. Even if you're starting a company and you want to recruit people, you can contact CoCubes and they will find the right people. So how this works is like in our college,